Hey, what is up going on everybody? Your buddy Tech of God is back with another video on YouTube after a very long time with his face. So, I hope you guys have seen some changes in me in the video, like I'm all grown up, I got a great looking mustache, so yeah. Let's cut the bull crap. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how y'all can root your Xiaomi device with Magisk. So as y'all can see here that I am here with my Xiaomi device, and like a lot of you guys are like trying to root your device with Magisk. Like it's like a fashion nowadays. Like I have seen videos on YouTube, like people are showing that their device is rooted with Magisk and all, and people are requesting in the video that please do the tutorial about it. So yeah, I've come with the tutorial. So without wasting any motherfucking time, let's get to the video. Let's get started with the Tech of God style. Hey guys, so in order to root the Xiaomi device, all you need is the unlocked bootloader of your phone and the TWRP recovery installed. So now let's move to the video. Hey guys, as y'all can see that I am here with my Android device. So before we move any further, I would like to show you that the bootloader of my device is successfully unlocked. So let's go to settings and additional settings, developer options, and here at the below, as you can see that I have already enabled OEM unlocking, and the below of it you can also see that it says the bootloader of my phone is unlocked. As you can see here, I can show you directly from here. As you can see, MI unlocked status, this device is unlocked. And I would also like to show you guys that my phone is not rooted right now at this time. Wait, let me show you. Verify root status. As you can see, it says sorry, root access is not properly installed on this device. So now all you have to do with your device is just to turn it off, just like that. Then wait for it to get turned off. I guess it's turned off right now, as you can see. So now then all you have to do is just to press the volume up key of your phone. Here we go, like it's here, volume up key, press the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Like hold it for at least 15 seconds. In my case, it will take a little bit of time, more than it, I guess. Yeah. Alright, here we go. As you can see guys, it's loading. Well, it will take more time to load the TWRP recovery because I have the different version of it. Well, as you can see guys, it's successfully loaded. As you can see, Team Win Recovery Project TWRP. So then after, all you have to do is just to tap on install, and you will have to go to the download folder which is in your Android. Go to your download folder path. Then after, you will see these two files, Magisk uninstaller and Magisk. So I have provided the links of these files in the description, so please go and check it out if you want to root your device with Magisk. So then after, all you have to do is just to tap on the Magisk file, and then you will have to swipe. Okay, so it will show some interface like that. So now the Magisk is rooting your device, and it will take at least like 1 minute or half a minute, depends on your depends on the speed of your device. You'll have to wait. till now, like, everything is going smooth, and as you can see, no errors have been shown. So guys, as you can see that Magisk have been successfully rooted my Android device. Like it says install zip successful, and at the end it says done. So that means that my phone is successfully rooted with it. So now after all these steps, all you have to do is just to tap on the reboot system button. As you can see, it's here at the below. Tap on it. And then after, you will have to wait for your device to get reboot. Now my device is turning on, like you'll have to wait. So here we go. So now I'm gonna show you that it worked or not. Let's see if I have got any Magisk Manager in my device or not. Wait, let me show you. Hey guys, so as you can see that my phone have got Magisk Manager. So let's see if it have successfully rooted my device or not. So now I'm gonna show you. Let's go to root checker, and now I'm gonna tap on verify root status. And boom. So guys, as you all can see that my device have been successfully rooted with the help of Magisk. So that's how you can root any Xiaomi device with Magisk in some few steps. So hey guys, so I showed you how you all can root your Xiaomi device with Magisk. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Most important, like and share, and I'll see you all homies in my next video. I hope, I guess, because like the past couple of days I've been a lot busy and I didn't get any time to make more videos for you guys, but now I think that I will try to be on a track, like persistently, like I will try to be on a track, and I hope that you all will keep supporting me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Much love. Just keep supporting.